Alright, so this is a quick video of what I found in the North Pacific on Google. So look at this. I'm not sure. It looks like an iguana or a rhinoceros iguana or something. Look, there's the eye cavity. Here's the mouth. Here's the jaw. Here's the skin flap under its neck. Here's its shoulder blade. So check this out. This is where it gets crazy. Let's go out. Wing. Not sure, but I believe wing. Back, torso. There's obviously shoulder, maybe bottom part of the shoulder right there. So let's go here, but that's not even the best part. Oh, well, hold on. Before I go, let's look at that. Now let's go to this. So look at that. And then even there, somebody fucking, I love it. So let's go back to Google. Now, check this out. Another one. Zoom in on that. And this one's different. See, look, head. Crest, I should say. Right there. Right there. There's something right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Definitely a point right there. Don't you love it now? Let's go back out a little bit. Oh, sorry guys. Wing. Wing bone. Alright, so let's look at that. Claw, leg, foot. Leg, calf, femur, thigh, spinal cord. Hip region. City, because possibly this one's still underneath the earth. Don't know if this thing's decaying. What? See, look, check that out too. See that definition? Tail. Tail. So let's check this out. See, look, I'm telling you, foot, raptor foot. Let's say eagle, talon, fucking whatever. The mythical thing is not really a mythic if you believe in Genesis and the Titans and parts of Revelations, Enoch. It's amazing now at this point. So let's go out of here. Let's look at, I'm gonna go somewhere right quick. I mean, look at all these defining lines. Look at that. These are all cities that got washed away in Genesis from the great flood. We were bad and we were not good. See, look. It's not the Titans and stuff that were bad and the giants, it's us. Let's zoom in right there. There's whole entire cities, all kinds of shit. It looks blurred out, but there's some where it's just street views. Look at that. I mean, come on. There's just too much 90-degree definition. They say they found Atlantis up in the coast, and I looked at it, and the days change on this thing. So it's just wild. I mean, look at this. This is all under the ocean, and they say, you know, the Great Flood destroyed everything. It's just wild. And I guess that's really, I'll take us back to this main picture, though, before I kick out. Look at that, see? Just look. Goes from one city to the next. Let's go back to the dragons, honestly. You can see how all the trails only lead up to it. Can't go around, can't go around, can't go around, can't go around, can't go around. Too big. Let's go back over here. Can't go around. Can't go around, can't go around. Got around a little bit, can't go around, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there. Just, I mean, look at that guy. Eye. Right there. Eye socket. Nose. Beak. Talon. I don't know what that is. Rhinoceros horn. Rhinoceros iguana. Skin flap. I mean, come on. Shoulder. That's it. Mud Fossil University. What's up, buddy? Hit me up.